Hi everyone, today I'm going to be talking about weather and the four seasons. The first season I will talk about is spring. Spring is the first full season in a year, and it is the season after winter and before the summer. In the spring, days become longer and the weather gets warmer. This is because the earth tilts to its orbit plane around the sun, and as you can see in the spring, trees begin to grow their leaves and plants start to flower. Some fun things children can do in the spring are going for a bike ride, having a picnic at the park, flying a kite, visiting the zoo, and going for a hike. The next season I will talk about is summer. Summer obviously is the hottest of all four seasons. The days are longest in the summer and the nights are the shortest because it doesn't get dark outside until 8:30 p.m. in the summer. When it is summer in the northern hemisphere, it is winter in the southern hemisphere. Regions near the equator are warmer than those lying near the poles. This is due to the curve of the Earth. These places receive the most sunlight. The areas around the Earth's poles also have ice, which reflect a lot of the sun's rays. Summer can lead to droughts, and this is because weather in the summer grows warmer, and in some areas, the heat translates to drier temperatures. This causes summer to have droughts where water is in short supply. Some fun activities children can do in the summer are going on vacation, going swimming, setting up a lemonade stand, going to an amusement park, and going for a walk. The next season I will discuss is fall. This is the season where the days get shorter and the temperature starts to drop. Fall takes place from December to December in northern hemisphere, and however, in the southern hemisphere it takes place from March to June. The leaves change from green to red, orange, yellow, or brown before they fall. Unfortunately, in the fall, there is less sunlight because the days are shorter. And another word for fall is autumn. Some fun things children can do in the fall are going pumpkin picking, jumping in the leaves, playing football, carving a pumpkin, and collecting leaves. The last season I will talk about is winter, and winter is obviously the coldest season out of all four. While it is winter in the northern hemisphere, it is summer in the southern hemisphere. Since in the summer the days are longer and nights are shorter, it is the opposite in the winter. In the winter, the days are shorter and the nights are longer. Winter usually starts around December and lasts up to February/March. The coldest countries in the world are in the northern hemisphere, and some of the countries are Russia, Canada, the United States, and Iceland. Countries are colder in the northern hemisphere than the southern because the size of a landmass, how close the land is to a polar region, and the amount of ocean coverage. Some fun things to do in the winter are going sledding, having a snowball fight, building a snowman, going ice skating, and building a snow fort. To conclude my lesson, I will be showing a BrainPop video on weather and the seasons. It will explain why seasons change and what you can do and where in the specific season.
Come on, Moby, let's go sledding. You can't go surfing now. It's the middle of winter. What is winter like? Check out all this snow. Winter is the coldest season where I live. Hey! A season is a part of the year that has the same kind of weather patterns. There are different ways to split the year into seasons. Some places have a rainy season and a dry season. Other places divide the year into 4 seasons: winter, spring, summer, and fall. It snows a ton where we live during the winter. That's why we wear heavy coats, hats, scarves, and mittens. Many plants stop growing in the winter. And since food is hard to find, some animals hibernate or go into a deep sleep. Then they come out when it gets warmer. What is spring like? In the spring, the weather warms up. It rains a lot every spring, too, so we wear raincoats and boots to stay dry. Plants begin to grow again, and many baby animals are born. Cool! They'll probably fly by the time summer starts. What is summer like? Summer is the hottest season where I live. I wear shorts and t-shirts and plenty of sunscreen. I love the summer because we get to go on vacation. By the end of the summer, I'm ready for the school year to start. What is fall like? In fall or autumn, the weather can get pretty chilly. So we wear sweaters or light coats. Right, the leaves of some trees change colors and fall off. And some animals eat a lot and store food to last through the winter. As the temperatures get lower, it becomes winter all over again. What makes the seasons change? Each year has the same cycle of seasons. A cycle is an order of events that repeats. Our planet goes around, or orbits, the sun once every year. Earth is tilted at an angle. During different times of the year, when our part of the Earth is tilted toward the sun, the weather is warmer, like in the summer. So as the Earth goes around the sun, the seasons change, but some places stay warm all year round. The equator is an imaginary line that goes around the middle of the Earth. The areas near the equator do not tilt away from the sun. Right, Moby. The weather is warm in the countries near the equator throughout the year. But right now, it's still winter. You have to wait a few more months before you can go to the beach, Moby. Whoa. I guess if you can't go to the beach, then the beach can come to you. Scoot over, Moby.